Alright, so we're back on the 79 F150. Looking here at the frame, this is where the steering box mounts. In the other videos you probably noticed this piece is missing, which is here. That's because previously it was cut out, so it could repair this cracked part right there and get re-welded. So now I'm going to trying to come up with a plan how I'm going to reinforce it. But I think now, since I got this situation, I think I'm actually going to cut out a nice plate here and actually weld it to the inside and do it that way. That way it still looks, you know, original, I guess you could say. Get up in here so you can see what I did here. It's, you know, it's not the greatest, but it's definitely going to be better than it was. Man, do these plug welds make it look real crappy, doesn't it? Anyways, I really only got plug welded, I think, here and then right here. These are all stuff that I filled in because this plate was like Swiss cheese looking, and so I had to do something. So anyways, yeah, I put the plate in there, welded it on the bottom fully just because the two mounting holes are down there. There's nothing up here, it's just tying in. And then I did weld right around here because that's where the other mounting hole is. So I'm pretty sure I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm not going to do anything more. I thought about putting something here. I thought about doing something like this to tie it in, but I don't think it needs it. It's already twice as thick as what it was, so. And then on this side, I'll just have to re-drill this hole, that hole, and that one. And then there's these little ones, which I don't even know if they're used, but you know, I'll do those again too. And then once we're done with that, I will take this piece that was originally here. Say it should be ready. Yeah, it's pretty much ready. I gotta prep the actual piece, but the frame's ready. And then, you know, I'll just weld it all back through. You see, I got a good gap here because I'm gonna, you know, try to get 100% penetration, so that's nice and strong. It'll be tied into the frame, top and bottom, just like the factory. Down here, this is where it tied in right here, so this should be plenty strong when I'm done with it. So hopefully this will help somebody out that has this, you know, problem with the frame being cracked here.
My daddy said, gotta keep one eye open in your bed, 'cause there's a time coming when the devil gonna come for you. So my trigger finger, stay prepared. I've got my weapon and I got my prayers, 'cause if you don't run this town through.
Got it. Looks pretty good. Very helpful. Very helpful. Yeah, that's my gap. So we get full penetration. So let's see if we got it.
Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, gotta run on. Run all day till you can't be found. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me. You ain't gonna, you ain't gonna, yeah. You ain't gonna outrun me, yeah. When I was younger, my mama seen me red. Said you ain't got nowhere, nobody gon' come for you. She would tell me tales that would leave me scared, so I made sure to get it through my head. I'm either gonna run this town or walk all over you. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. Run out loud, better run on. Run out loud, gotta run on. Keep on running till the sun goes down. You can outrun the devil, but you ain't gonna outrun me.
So just got done welding all this back in. Just gotta, I don't know, it's not really much to clean up. Just gotta do that. Had a little bit of, I got a little hot there. And yeah, so, but other than that, everything else turned out pretty good. So that's all back together, finally. So now I can start prepping all these pieces, get them all nice and cleaned up, and we can get stuff bolted back on. So it'll be great.